Hey, fellow developers. Welcome to today's video. We'll be sharing some quick tips and tricks related to software development. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1: code optimization. One of the best practices in software development is to write efficient and optimized code. Let's take a look at this snippet. Here, we can optimize this loop by using a more efficient algorithm or data structure. By doing so, we can significantly improve the performance of our code. Remember, optimizing code is essential for better scalability and overall performance. Keep that in mind when you're writing your next masterpiece. Tip number 2: debugging common errors. As developers, we often encounter pesky bugs that can waste a lot of our time. But fear not, I have a quick tip to help you tackle them. Whenever you encounter an error, carefully read the error message. It usually provides valuable information about what went wrong. Go to the line mentioned in the error and start debugging from there. By following this approach and using tools like breakpoints or console logs, you can quickly identify and fix those bugs, saving you time and frustration. Tip number 3: useful shortcuts. Learning keyboard shortcuts can greatly boost your productivity. Let me show you a couple of my favorites. Instead of manually typing out repetitive code, you can use shortcuts like Ctrl+D to duplicate a line, Ctrl+ to uncomment a line, and Ctrl+space to trigger code suggestions. These shortcuts may seem small, but they can save you a lot of time and make your coding experience much smoother. So don't hesitate to explore the shortcuts available in your favorite code editor. And that's a wrap for today's quick tips and tricks. I hope you found them helpful and that they'll enhance your software development journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and follow for more awesome coding content.